The renovation of the building of Kala Academy, designed by celebrated Indian architect and urban planner late Charles Correa, had led to a war of words between the Culture Minister Govind Gaude and Charles Correa Foundation. The foundation had accused the government and the minister of changing the core design elements of the heritage building to that point that it is no longer the same building. The foundation said the academy was one of the finest examples of architect Charles Correa's work. It also showcased the work of renowned caricaturist Mario Miranda, who hand painted murals that adorn the walls of the main auditorium. The world's foremost acoustic consultants, Bold, Beranek, and Newman, who also designed the acoustics of the United Nations permanent headquarters in New York, also did the acoustics of Kala Academy. Charles Correa's daughter, Nandita Correa Mehrotra, said the repairs were necessary but the lack of transparency was troubling. Minister Govind Gaude had hit back, alleging that the building had a faulty design and that the foundation set up by Charles Correa was no longer a stakeholder who needs to be consulted at the time of renovation. Amid allegations that the work of renovation was not tendered, Minister Govind Gaude also became famous for his claim that even Shah Jahan had not tendered work of the Taj Mahal. Gaude said that the tendering process was carried out by the PWD and not his department. In September 2022, the Directorate of Vigilance recommended that the state government constitute a technical expert committee to probe the alleged irregularities and corruption in the renovation of Kala Academy following multiple complaints. The Kala Academy building is being renovated at a cost of 56 crore rupees. Art and Culture Minister Govind Gaude had said the Kala Academy would be inaugurated by November end 2022. Freddy Fernandez and Devin Gaonkar for Herald TV.